Nairobi ni igongona ria kunengera Mucirithania munene Martha Koome mathaga utongoria rikuharirio imwe cia indo iria nengerirwo ari federa gatiba ya mwaka ni ugire ni mekurongoreria kurutithania wira na njira ya hakuhi na honge iria ingi cia thirikari haha akiheana mwihoko wa guthondeka ndugu gatagati ka ruhonge rwa magoti na thirikari iriragagaite na njira nene hindi ya wathani wa David Maraga.
My vision of the judiciary is that one that will constructively engage with the other arms of government for the mutual benefits of Kenyans.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu niambiriria ni ekwihotora gutigira ni manyihia maciira maria mambikitwo magoti-ini na maria matari mang'ethanirwo namo noho gwetha njira cia mwanya cia gutigira maciira maria matari na ũritũ ni matuithanirio nja wa magoti.
If there are cases to be heard, let us conclude them. If there are problems to be solved, let us resolve them. If there are barriers to overcome, let us overcome them. If there are changes to be made, let us make them.
Koome ni mutumia wa mbere gutuika Mucirithania munene na niwe ugukora ri Mucirithania munene wa 15 guku bururi-ini na wa gatatu rungu rwa gatiba njeru aria megwikinyite igongona-ini riri makimugathiriria na njira nene kumana na uhotani uyu.
Lady Justice Koome, you and I have come a long way. I know you. You have served this country in very many capacities. This is now an opportunity for you to serve as the Chief Justice.
Today, going forward, the whole 50 million plus Kenyans will be on your case. Fairly, and most times unfairly.
Koome ari na ihinda ria miaka 9 gutungata gituro-ini giki mbere ya kuhuruka wira.